So this is just a quick video to show you how to share your iPad, whether you are web conferencing or whether you're trying to make a video for your students based on something you want them to specifically do. So the first thing that you do is you need to open up QuickTime. And if you don't have QuickTime on your toolbar, QuickTime is in Other. You just pull it out of Other and you just put it down in your toolbar. When you open up QuickTime the first time, or when you plug your iPad in, iTunes may pop up and your iPad may ask you to trust your computer. And since you plugged it in, I would just say trust. Create a new movie recording. And you don't actually have to create the recording. So when you're in your learning when you're in your web conference, you just choose desktop and then you can just switch back and forth. So you choose your drop-down menu next to record and you choose your iPad, and mine is called Tower of London. And you're all set. You don't actually have to record anything. So anything that you do on your iPad is the students will automatically see you working. So you can have the Smart Notebook app open. You can have up a Keynote. You can just have up a whiteboard, and all of that stuff is done. And as long as you don't move your mouse, these tools won't show up. Otherwise, you can just kind of put the tools in the corner. When you're done, you can just quit QuickTime. There's no really worry about recording. If you're going to record, then you can make sure that you have everything that you want. The MacBook microphone, we'll just use Yeti since I'm currently using that already. And you just click record and your video will start recording. And then you can just do things on your iPad. And when you're done, you just click stop and your video is complete. You click the X at the top and then it will ask you to save and where you want to put it. And you just choose save and your video is all done. If you want to create a video specifically on your iPad, I'll show you how to do that here. You need to make sure the record tool is in your control center. Mine is not, so I'll show you where that is. In your settings, under control center, you go down and you find your screen recording, click the plus, and then your screen recording tool is there. You choose the drop down from your control center, click on the button to screen record, and it will say screen recording starting in 3, 2, 1. Mine won't work because I'm plugged into my MacBook. But if you do hold the button, here it is. Everything on your screen, including notifications, will be recorded, and you can just click start recording. So here's what recording on the iPad looks like from the iPad perspective. You can see up here at the top, we have a red rectangle with a circle in it. That shows me that I am currently recording my iPad screen. Directly next to it, we have an orange circle, and the orange circle here shows me that my microphone is being accessed by my iPad. This is a new feature in iPad OS 14. So if you're looking for the orange circle, that shows you that your microphone is being accessed. So like I told you before, when you pull down from the drop-down menu, you can see now I have the screen recording tool is red and pulsing, which shows that I'm recording. If you press and hold on it, you can turn the microphone on and off, and it shows that my recording is going to my photos. When I'm all done, I just tap the red circle up here at the top. A screen will pop up asking you if you want to stop your screen recording. You say stop, and then you will see a pop-up as to where your video is. Once the iPad is done saving your video, you can go down and click on Photos, and then you can swipe over, and you can see that your video is here currently on your iPad, and you've got your buttons up at the top. You've got your buttons up here at the top for pause. It automatically, for me, defaults to mute, so you can check all those things, and if you're not happy with the video, you can click on the trash can and just throw it away. That is how you can share your iPad easily in your web conference or make a video.